Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on REALME 12X. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge, then click search, and now you can click install. And click open. Now you can click skip introduction, then you can make this browser your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. And here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And your Microsoft Edge is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.